Hello, I'm your host for Treehouse Madness, and I'm here to tell you about the new Clean Your Crud Vacuum 2000. This vacuum can do it all. It can clean your dog's crud. It can clean your reindeer's crud. It can clean Treehouse Madness crud. And the best part, it's absolutely silent. It can clean any crud imaginable. And this beautiful piece of machinery can be all yours for the low price of $1,999.95. That's right, the low price of $1,999.95. If you call for your Clean Your Crud Vacuum 2000 today, we'll throw in a broom and a big bag of doo-doo. A $1 million value, absolutely free. Absolutely free. Call the number on the bottom of your screen to order the Clean Your Crud Vacuum 2000 right now. Right now we're behind our new shield made of 100% awesomeness and 50% ghetto-ness. So, cameraman, get behind the shield and we're going to get ready to crush this thing. I'm going to turn this thing on. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to get ready for a second run at this, and I'm going to turn it on right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On. Time! Yeah! Wow! Okay, I'm your host for Treehouse Madness. This is a very destroyed Clean Your Crud Vacuum 2000, and I'll see if my awesome piece of machinery still works. At least I still have my handy broom. Okay, Treehouse Madness viewers, this is a new thing that we're starting on our show. This thing right here is called the scale of abrillation. It's based on if it failed, if it got crushed, or if it was abrillated. So post on the comments below what you think it was this episode, and we will tell you next week. Thanks for watching.